What?
This just happened. Dump over here.
It's a big dump. A big dump.
Maybe a giant came over here and took a big dump. Or maybe the Wendigo.
The Wendigo? You think it's the Wendigo? What is it? I hope it's not cow manure.
What?
So we just got home from school and this is outside in our driveway where you can't drive in. This is just great.
And now when Dad has ice on it and snow down, we can't go through this.
What is it?
Hey guys, back up. There may be alarm. Maybe this is pirate's treasure. Ew, it smells like tea.
I think it's mulch. Well, mulch does kind of sound or smell bad sometimes.
Oh, Daddy was talking about there was another.
That he wanted to get some mulch?
Yeah.
Maybe the Wendigo is listening. So we keep saying the Wendigo, and we haven't told you guys who the Wendigo is.
Yeah, he's a big white monster that lives in our house and tricks us.
Yeah, like soon after we moved here, we started having like tricks played on us and notes left.
And we didn't even do anything to him.
Yeah.
And we made his own house.
Yeah, we built a teepee in the woods and then he
it,
moved in. So I guess maybe he
just
thought we were inviting him in. I don't know, but anyway, yeah, he comes and plays tricks on us. He's not mean though. I don't.
Yeah, sometimes he's mean and fun. One time he gave us toys.
Yeah,
One of them broke, and we liked him. He left us Sims, which we love them.
Yeah. So maybe we'll have to show you his teepee sometimes, but we just wanted you to know who he was, and maybe we can video some of the times he comes and plays pranks. But we don't know for sure if he left this huge pile of mulch, because Daddy did say he wanted some, so maybe somebody just dropped it off for him, or maybe the Wendigo did because he's always listening, right?
Yeah. And guys, I'm gonna try to walk up the hill and see if there may be like something.
I don't think you should walk up there. You have your school shoes on, and what if you fall in? What if there's like a pit at the top or something?
No, I got this. We walk like this, Mom.
You're gonna walk around it?
Yeah.
Is there something over there? Okay, well let's go in and tell Daddy. Maybe he'll know something about it. What?
And we'll try to tell him to not do that. And he'll try to go that way. We don't want him
There's
to
bugs? Ew, don't stick your fingers in it. Yuck. Okay, come on, let's go in.
Maybe we can bring my sandals out here and I can walk on it. Please, Mommy.
We'll just have to see. Come on.
Thank you.
Let's go in.
This may be a trap.
Dad! Did you have this huge mulch dropped here? You didn't? I don't know. We knew that you had talked about getting some mulch. We didn't know if like the Wendigo dropped it off, if he was listening. It will be perfect though, because we needed some mulch for our little area here.
Hey, we forgot our backpacks.
Oh yeah, we'll get them. Is there a clue? No clue. He normally leaves it on the door, doesn't he?
Wait.
What? What? You found a clue?
You're a little children. I brought a big surprise. It's a... What is that?
Volcano
Volcano.
that shoots lava to the sky. Your mom and dad will know what to do. Then your dad can have the mulch when you are through. Love, the Wendigo.
I think I know what to do with these.
What?
He's gonna explode in our house. I'll take these outside.
Well, maybe we need to wait and see if it's going to stop raining.
Yeah, let's not open all that right now.
Let Daddy look at the radar.
Wait, let me look at the radar.
We might have to wait. Sorry, guys.
I think it's on exploding right now.
Stop that.
Is it really done? Is it really done?
Yeah, so I do know what you do with these. You take the Mentos and you drop them in the soft drink. Well, they don't squirt it around. We don't want it to explode when we open it.
And this one?
And yeah, and then it will explode. So I guess we're supposed to maybe dig a hole down in the mulch or something, and then we can put it in there, and it can look like a volcano.
Yeah, that's what it was.
Will that ruin your mulch?
I hope not, but we'll try it anyway. Wendigo gave it to me for free, so.
All right, awesome. Well,
So, I think we'll have to get our shovels.
yeah, I don't know. We might can just dig a little
But
hole
what
with our
are we
hands
gonna
down in there.
do? Do you eat these?
You can eat them, but yeah, we're gonna use them to make a volcano.
Oh, I want to eat these.
They're mints. You probably won't like them. What's the radar saying, Dad?
Working on it.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to open it.
Well,
Looks like we're on the edge of something coming. It's not wanting to work so well, but so.
Can I just try to
hold on. So what do you think?
I mean, I really don't know. I can't get it to work.
Okay.
I think we should do it, Silas. Right?
Well, we're gonna need something
Well, I wanna
like a.
drink these.
Yeah, I'm sure you do. We're gonna need something tall and skinny to put the Mentos in. What about, hey, the Wendigo left those wooden,
Well,
or not,
It's duct taped together.
well, maybe we could unduct tape it and get one out, a skinny one.
Like,
He came the other day and left these like
Mike
rolls
made it,
that look like
really
paper towel rolls.
tight. He made it like a special way where it would be like. We just
Okay, well maybe we can figure something out. We'll think about it.
Just try.
Okay, so we've got this little pipe from another Wendigo clue challenge thing that he left us.
Ruby, Kate are little
Cousin, yep, that was one of the clues. Yep. Oh, Silas, don't throw them down, bud.
Okay.
Okay, so Daddy's gonna climb up there. You can do it, Daddy. You want me to do it?
I don't know. Can I try?
You can try, Matt. Yes.
Okay. Need my other supplies.
Okay, Whitley, can you carry that up there?
What did it say? 7?
Yep, 7. You like them, Silas? We can't eat them all.
Let me try one.
Whitley, take it up there, honey. We'll have time to try them later. We want to do it before it.
Here,
Yeah.
I need you to take this to mommy.
I'm gonna back up so I don't get lop on me.
Okay.
Get away! It's time to spray on me.
Yeah,
Taylor.
they ate some already.
I didn't eat me some.
Okay, well, you can eat some in a little while. Got mulch on your feet?
Yep.
Get away.
So we've got 7 in this tube, and then he's gonna drop the Mentos in.
Are we ready?
Yes, we're ready.
Yeah. One.
Up.
Oh, ready to go.
Whoa!
They didn't fit.
Not to climb up the hill.
Where'd that go?
Bummer.
Let's try another one.
Yeah, we've got a miniature volcano. Bummer.
Can I touch it?
Yeah, you can touch it.
I'm about to fall. Here, Mom, here's
So the Mentos just popped. Right
Yeah,
by
they
here.
didn't go right. They like rode what was in there off.
Maybe we could make a tube out of paper just to.
That might work, yeah.
Okay, I'll go try to make that really quick. Okay, so now we have a little tube made out of paper. We'll see if that works better.
Yeah.
You need me to hand that to you? What? Sounds like stuff's falling out of the trees. Hurricane Dorian's coming.
Okay. Now y'all can't take off running, so don't get scared, okay?
This is just gonna be. We did this to ourselves.
Yep, that's right.
Yeah. And we can add to it. Ah!
We're ready.
You ready?
Yep.
Wait, it's not going to be a loud noise.
Yeah, it won't be loud.
Wait, will it hurt me in the face?
No. I mean, don't stick your face over it.
Alright, here we go. 1, 2, and...
Whoa! It was short-lived, but that was cool.
It feels so
Can I
cool.
pour it out?
Hold on.
Well, one of you can pour this one out, one of you can pour the next one out.
Here, let's drop another one in there just to feel it. Nothing. Okay.
Ah, it's starting to rain! All right.
And this mulch are going to be minty fresh.
Okay, let's get set up for the last one.
Okay.
Here we go.
Whoa!
Oh!
Don't
Silas, you're gonna get to pour it out, but she's just filling it, honey. Good and sticky. Fun times. Okay, you can get it and pour it out.
Preferably not on yourself.
Pour it in the
How are your sister?
hole. Feel hole. You get all you get.
Don't fuss a bit.
Oh!
Don't pour it on your shoe. You need to probably watch this. Silas, don't do that, buddy. I'm pouring all over me.
All right. Was that a fun everyday adventure?
Yeah.
All right. Give us a big thumbs up, right, guys? And remember to like and subscribe and make every day
An adventure. Okay.
All right, we are back to try again. We used off-brand drinks last time, so we're thinking maybe that's why I didn't do so well. So we have a smaller heel because Daddy did use some of the mulch that the Wendigo brought. But we have Diet Coke that we're going to try, and then more Mentos. What, Silas?
As you can see that this is the joy.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, Daddy used the mulch to put around the plants. Yep. All right, so we're going to let Daddy do it again because he did a good job last time.
You just don't want to get wet.
And what?
You just don't want to get wet.
Oh, no, I mean, I don't mind doing it. I just feel like I would mess it up. You want me to do it? I'll do it.
I don't care.
I want to drop the things.
You want to drop them in?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this one first. We've buried both of them. And so let's try this one first, okay? All right, so I'm opening the drink now. We have our 7 Mentos in this little homemade contraption. Hold on just a second, Silas. We're going to use a piece of mulch. Well, what we're going to do is like this, and then we'll let Whitley pull that out from under it. Let's see if that works, okay? Okay, now back your faces up because I think it might shoot out.
But watch, Sally.
Ah, they didn't all get in there. Oh no! Mommy's not good at this kind of stuff. But I think it's maybe fizzing more than the other one did.
I think so, and it's lasting long.
Wow!
Wow!
I think we should let Daddy do the next one.
You gonna taste it, Silas? Put your mouth on there. Put your mouth on there. Okay, Willie, you wanna do it? Oh, I don't think any more's coming out. You have to do the next one.
Stanley? Stanley, do you want to be part of the volcano?
Yeah, Silas is gonna pour this one out.
I'll pour the next one out.
Whoa!
Oh, the mints are coming out. Wait, all those Mentos. That could be eaten. Wow, 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 wow. We are little babies.
Okay.
That's all.
Round 2. Maybe it's just the fact that we have a homemade thing. Hey, Sally Bug.
I don't know, a lot of times in the other ones, people just drop them in.
Oh, they just drop them in? Okay.
It looked like it. But
All you have to do is just
Maybe if you, yeah, I don't know.
Well, we're gonna let Silas do it because you pulled the thing out last time. Here you go, drop them in really quick, Silas. Go, 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 go! Put them in, put them in! Willie, what are you doing? What is happening? Why are you slinging it all over me?
I tried
Put it in, Silas. Okay, now I want you to look at it really closely, Silas. You ready?
Not on me.
Oh, put them in, yeah.
Go on, Thor. Go on, Thor.
Diet Coke. Disgusting.
Y'all are crazy.
Now squeeze it, Whitley. Squeeze it. No. Oh.
You just got it on me.
No, no. I have mommy's phone. Mama fell down the mountain.
Thor's trying to catch the coat. Alright, so obviously we're terrible at making volcanoes.
Yeah.
But
We are.
multiple times.
Still subscribe or it's death time. Or you
Yes,
get
please
down!
Bye.
Remember to make every day an adventure.